Welcome to IT Learning Tutorial YouTube channel for you. Today in this tutorial we learn how to insert pie chart in Microsoft Excel sheet. So sometimes it become important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. When we insert open Microsoft Excel sheet, by default it open home tab. We at first you select the home and go to insert tab and find pie chart or diagram chart, and 3D pie chart are options, and we are see pie chart are insert and custom this every and we insert a bar chart in this same way. We just click and we are see a bar chart are insert, and it design many way and format many way. If this video is benefit for you, so I request you subscribe my channel, keep watching next tutorial. Thank you very much.